Hey everyone, welcome back. We have already studied everything about list. Now this session is to revise or we can say summarize the concept. So we will study about all the characteristics of list. First one, list is ordered. That means the position of each element is fixed. By using index number, we can access any elements of the list. Okay. Second, mutable. Why mutable? Because you have already seen that any elements can be added, can be deleted, or can be modified. How it can be modified? By using index position or by using slicing. Exactly. How it can be added? What are the functions? Append, extend, insert. How it can be removed? By using remove function, by using pop function, by clear or delete. You remember all this function. So that is why list is mutable. Clear. Third, list is dynamic size. Why? Because even after the list is created, you can add elements to the list or you can delete. So you don't need to mention the size beforehand. That is why the size is dynamic. Okay. Next, it allows duplicate elements. We have seen that same elements can stay in list, but while we will study about set, we will see that set doesn't allow duplicate elements. Okay. Now next point is heterogeneous. That also we have done. In a single list, we can keep integer, string, float, other list, tuple, set, dictionary, any kind of data type. That is why list is heterogeneous. Okay. Next, indexed access. That means that we can access any element using indexing. Python follows zero based indexing. It starts from 0, or if it follows negative indexing, then starts from -1. So list can be accessed by using its index. Okay. Next, iteration. List support iteration because we have used for loop to do any iteration on list and perform different kind of operations. So we can say list support iteration. Okay. Now what are the other operations we have already discussed? Appending, inserting, removing, concatenating. How we can concatenate? By using the additional operator. Different kind of operators can be applied. Membership operator, arithmetic operator. List can be sorted also. We have studied about sort function and sorted function, and also we have known the difference between sort and sorted. Okay. Next, concatenation and repetition. You remember how we did repetition? By using the multiplication operator. Okay. Concatenation, for that we use as operator. Next, flexible usage. That is, lists are widely used in programming for various purposes. We will explore in our later classes. So, till now we have studied about first the definition of list, then heterogeneous, then what is the difference between array and the list, what is the mechanism, then how to create any empty list, one dimensional list, two dimensional list, three dimensional list, then using range function also we can create a list, then how we can access by indexing or item wise, by slicing, or how we can add by append. To append more than one, then we use extend. To insert into a particular value, we use particular position, we use insert statement. Operators, membership operators, arithmetic operators. How to edit using indexing or slicing. How to delete, how to delete the whole list or how to delete the values of the list. How to remove any particular value. What is the pop function? Then the difference between delete and clear. Then we studied about different kind of basic functions like len, max, min, count, which count the number of occurrences, Then index position. Index position gives us the index of a specific element. What about reverse? It reverses the list and the difference between sort versus sorted. And the last one we did list comprehension. We did many small programmings using list comprehension. I have just summarized the thing what we have learned till now. We have completed everything related to list. In our next class, we will start tuple data type. Okay, bye. Till then, happy learning.